Aso TV is live at the Abuja Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Kilometer 8 Umoru Musayara Dua Expressway Airport Road, Abuja, to witness the Abuja International.
Michigan Construction Machineries is a company that is based in China, internationally based in Hong Kong, China, specializing in manufacturing of construction, mining, and agricultural machineries. So we also into manufacturing of agricultural tractors, construction equipment like excavators, wheel loaders, backhoe loaders, mobile cranes, and all sort of construction machineries. We are also in Africa, covering the whole world. We are into 120 countries of the world with 180 types of brand of machines covering worldwide. As you hear the name, it's a state in America, and our machines are covered with durable engines and transmissions. We consider in machineries, engines and transmissions, we use American Cummins engine in our machines and German ZF transmissions in all our machines, or Japanese Kawasaki. So we go for high grade components in our machine. Our tractors, the parts of our machines are universal parts, which you can source from any market in Nigeria, any part of Nigeria or anywhere in Africa. Cummins engine is in every mechanic, every engineer knows how to maintain Cummins engine. It's an easy engine to maintain, both in generator, in ship, in equipment, in every aspect. Cummins engine is common. Then we also go for transmission. We go for ZF transmission, which is the best in the whole world. German ZF transmission is the best in the whole world. So when we look at it, then apart from ZF transmission from Germany, we also look at Japanese Kawasaki transmission. These are the two transmissions we use in all our products. Apart from that, our machines use universal parts, which CAT can use, which other machines, other equipment can use. Our bulldozers also use CAT engine.